Good morning, children. Today in this class we will discuss about industries. Last class also we have discussed the same topic. We will continue the same topic. Last class, children, we have discussed about the important steel plants in India. We have discussed about the various steel plants and where all these steel plants located in India. So different steel plants located in different states. I told you. So steel plants located so place. Right? Now this class will discuss about important ports in India is. Yeah, important ports in India is. I will give you only the places, and those places we can locate. Important ports located in India. Yeah, important ports. Number one is Chennai. Number one is Chennai. Number two, Tuticorin. Tuticorin. Number three, Mormugao. Mormugao. Number four, New Mangalore. Kochi. Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam. Kolkata. Haldia. Mumbai. Kandla. They are the important ports in India. Important ports. If you take Orissa, Orissa if you take Paran, there is a 11th question will take right down. I can take Paran. So I have here Paran, yes, etc. 10. This is 11. So the 11 important ports. These are the major ports in India. Important seaports in India are starting from the major port. All these ports located in different directions, different corners of the Indian subcontinent. Basically, all these ports are being used for exporting the goods to the other countries. Not only for exporting, as well as even we are importing the various materials, various production, various goods from the other countries. For example, oil. We have been importing from the Gulf countries. Even we have been exporting all the vegetables to the other countries. Even iron, in other rice, wheat. So various food products also we have been exporting to the other countries. So for exportation, so the ports are very important. So each direction, the most of the ports lies in the west to east, yes, starting from Kandla, starting from Gujarat up to West Bengal. So this is the yes. So most of the ports located here like this. Yes, starting from Gujarat, and here starting from West Bengal. Yes. Calcutta, yes. So all the ports located here, yes. Here first one is Kandla, then Mumbai, then New Mangalore. Okay. Then Dharwad, then Kochi, then Tuticorin, then Chennai, Visakhapatnam, okay, Paradip, West Bengal, Haldia. So most of these ports located in the coastal region, that is starting from west to east. Right? Now you should know the important ports. Starting from the sea. Now number one is Chennai. You know, it is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Next one is Tuticorin. It is important port. it is also located in Tamil Nadu. Then Marmogava, it is in Marmogava, Goa. Yes. New Mangalore, it is in Mangalore. New Mangalore, it is in Karnataka. Yes. Then Kochi, it is in Kerala. Then Visakhapatnam, it is in Andhra Pradesh. Then Calcutta, West Bengal. Haldia, yes, West Bengal. Mumbai, it is Maharashtra. And Kandla, it is in Gujarat. And Paradip, it is in Orissa. So what you should do is, you should write down all the ports now, important ports, which you remember, yes. And then once you are familiarized with all the ports, then you can start locating where these ports are located. These ports belongs to which states, where it is shown port is located in our country, so that it will be easy for you to locate. At the same time, it is for your journal knowledge. Correct? So important ports, starting from here, Chennai, yes, Tamil Nadu, and Victorian, yes, is also Tamil Nadu. Marmogava, it is in Goa. Marmogava, it is in Goa. New Mangalore, it is in Karnataka. Kochi, it is in Kerala. Visakhapatnam, it is in AP. Calcutta, it is in West Bengal. Haldia, it is also West Bengal. Clear, children? Then come to Mumbai, it is in Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Then Kandla, it is in Gujarat. Kandla, it is in Gujarat. And Paradip, it is in Orissa. These are the important ports and regions. Children, write down, please. You write down, take a paper, take a book, and write down. Keep ready. Important ports in India. Sea ports in India. Yes. There are 11 important seaports in India. Write down first one. Chennai. Chennai. You write down arrow on Tamil Nadu. Chennai. It is in Tamil Nadu. Then second one is Tuticorin. Second one is Tuticorin. Tuticorin, it is also Chennai, the second one. And third one is Marmogava. Third one is Marmogava. It is in Goa. Capital is Panaji. It is a tourist place. Thousands of people every day to day life visit Goa beach. And Marmogava, it is in Goa. Then come to New Mangalore. New Mangalore Port. New Mangalore Port, it is in Karnataka, yes. New Mangalore Port is in Karnataka, yes. Okay. Then come to Kochi. Kochi shipyard, yes, it is in Kerala, yes. It is the southwestern direction of India, yes. So the southwestern part of Kerala. Kochi seaport is located in Kerala state. Then come to Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is located in Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam, it is located in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Then come to Calcutta. Calcutta, West Bengal. It is the eastern part of India. Calcutta, is one of the biggest port. Yeah. That is, at the same time, there is one more Haldia. Because of the busiest schedule, busiest port, so unable to deliver the goods, exports as well as imports. So the nearby, they started this another important seaport, that is Haldia. So in Calcutta there are two. One is in Calcutta, then another one is Haldia. There are two ports on the lakes. Then come to Mumbai. Yes, it's the oldest, biggest one. Mumbai, Maharashtra. Kandla. Kandla is the oldest port. Yes. Kandla is the oldest port in Gujarat. Then last one is Paradip, and eastern side. Paradip is in Orissa. When you come to the eastern side, one is Paradip, Chennai, Tuticorin, Paradip, Visakhapatnam, and even West Bengal, and all these are eastern side. Especially if you take Visakhapatnam port, the deepest inlet deepest port along the east coast of India is? The last question. Dash is the deepest seaport in India. Yes, Visakhapatnam, Tuticorin, Chennai, and Paradip. Which is the one? So deepest seaport in Indian subcontinent is Visakhapatnam. Landlocked. Deepest and landlocked seaport. Yes. Deepest and landlocked. The word remember yes. Landlocked. Deepest and landlocked seaport in India is Visakhapatnam. It is in where? It is in Andhra Pradesh. Don't write it Telangana. It is in Andhra Pradesh. Of course, as of now, Hyderabad is the capital city, common capital of both the states, Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh, for time being 10 years. After 10 years, of course, we have seen in the news fighting for where they are going to establish the new capital city of Andhra Pradesh. Is it Visakhapatnam or Kurnool or Amaravati? You have seen the news every day. There is a conflict between TDP and the YCP Congress party, right? So, the deepest landlocked port is in Visakhapatnam. All these ports you should write down, and you should be in fingertips here. Then close it, then tell, again close it, then start telling. Then after taking the map, you start pointing out, yes, Chennai seaport, yes, Tamil Nadu, Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, New Mangalore, Karnataka, Mormugao, Goa, Kandla Port, Gujarat, Paradip, Orissa, Calcutta, West Bengal, Haldia, West Bengal, Kochi, Kerala, Kandla, Gujarat, Mumbai, Maharashtra. So this is how one has to practice by locating seaports in map. Yes. Unless until you practice these ports in the map, will not be perfect. Once you read, you will forget within 2 minutes. Therefore, to memorize, to remember longer time, what you should do is, you should go through it and you start pointing out various places. You should start pointing out all these things. Then it will be very easy for you to remember. Yes. Children, I hope you understood which are the important seaports in India, where all these seaports located in the different states of India. Clear? So therefore we will come to know where all these ports located in the country will come to know. That is the best way of pointing out, so that you can easily come to know. So now this class we have been learning last 2 classes, that is 15 and 16. I mean to say next week. Come to next week, the same topic. We will discuss about industries, importance of industries, and which are the factors essential to start an ideal industries in the country, and which are the important industrial plants in India. We have written here important industrial plants, where these plants located in the different countries, and followed by these important seaports in India, major seaports in India. Yes, there are total 11 seaports are there. Yes, there are total 11 seaports are there. I have written here. Okay, most of these seaports lies both western side, west coast, as well as east coast. West coast, that is Coromandel coast, Malabar coast, and east coast side, that is Coromandel coast. So maximum these ports located on the coast of Malabar as well as Coromandel coast. Here I give a detail here. Chennai, Tuticorin, Mormugao, New Mangalore, Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Calcutta, Haldia, Mumbai, Kandla, and Paradip. Clear, children? So, just try to prepare and try to locate, yes. So it will be easily can remember, and that will be useful for even having next classes. When you come to the 9th standard, again it is the same topic we have. So it will be definitely helpful for you, and you can update, you can remember, and useful for your general knowledge. Clear? This is the topic industries. The topic is industries. Already we have completed the syllabus because of revision. Since you are away from us, so we have to engage. So therefore we are revising the re-revising. That is revising the videos once again. So therefore, please go to it and watch. Clear? If you have any doubt, children, you are most welcome. Don't keep quiet. I know most of you are away. Most of them you are away and very difficult to see. Don't hesitate. If you are down, please most welcome and discuss. Clear? Thank you.